The farmer's walk is one of the oldest strength exercises in the world. Today I'm using dumbbells. You could use kettlebells, or you could use pails of sand or water. Stand tall, shoulders back, core tight, eyes forward. Begin to walk, slow, steady, and controlled. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Feel the weight pull you down and resist it with grace. Every step with weight reminds you that strength isn't found in what you lift, but in what you carry calmly. This is ancient strength.